Hello, 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 boys and girls. One Mechanic here. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, a tool haul video, and guess what? Today I have one. Here are some of the tools that I have bought over the summertime. Just a reminder, I'm no longer in a shop. I'm now a mobile mechanic, and these are some of the tools I bought to help me out. Hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. So one of the things or tools I've gotten over the summertime are these Quinn sockets. Half-inch drive sockets. And the really cool part, well, let me show you this. So this is one of my expert sockets. And one of the things I love about these expert sockets is that they're shallow. So these Quinns, here's a 7/8. You can see there's also shallow, but they all have that on it for either a 7/8 or a 22 wrench. So I can use my wrench that's pretty skinny, especially for half-inch drive. Now this doesn't lock in on the tools that have the ring in it, which this does not have the ring in it. This will lock in. It does have a detent on it. But yeah. So they come in these nifty foam pads. They weren't that much. $60, $70 for both sets. And the packaging is terrible on these. Look for a skinny Quinn box hanging with the sockets. At least that's how these were. Doesn't say what they are. You can't really tell what they are until you pick up the box and actually look at them. But this goes up to 1 inch, so 3/8 to 1 inch. And then the metric goes from 10 millimeter to 24 millimeter. So these have been a nice addition. Another thing I bought, I got a new SnapOn Flashlight. Now, this is one of my older ones. This is the small one. Light on the end, opens up. This is my favorite light. Just the size, the brightness, everything. This is my favorite light. But I was at a shop that had a Snap-on guy, and I guess this is basically what they've replaced it with. Also has a light, also has that, but what's different about it is that it has a battery. So you can either buy multiple batteries so you have them charged up, or if this one goes bad, I can just buy a battery and not the whole light. It's a nice light. I still wish it was as small as this light. I also have the bigger light also. But still enjoying it. Then I was out of town, wasting some time before going to the hotel overnight, and I was at a Ace Hardware, and I bought these Craftsman Screwdrivers for $20, and these are really nice. They fit on my hand really well. Nice texture. Nice tip on them. I do like how short these are, and still, even the grip on these are pretty nice. It's kind of a rubbery, the black is kind of rubbery kind of tip. But I've been enjoying those. And one thing I've learned now that I'm on the road full time is that you know, not buying high-end tools just to get out in the field and get rusty in the rain and the snow and the mud and all that happiness. I bought a set. Let me move these. Oh yeah, screwdrivers. So I forgot. This is magnetic, and this end is magnetic, just like the small one is. I forgot to mention that. So, but to get behind some valve bodies, it's always a challenge. And I bought this Duratech set. Which is a pretty good set. 22, 19, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 10, and 8. It does skip sizes, as you can see, but the length is really nice. The beam on them, I like how it's squared off so it doesn't cut into your hand. Also, on the one end, it's offset for getting into places. But I've really enjoyed these. I don't remember what they cost. I got them on Amazon. And this 22, particularly good magnet. But takes these sockets. Oh, I should also say, all these sockets, no matter what size the socket is, the drive side is either 1/2 inch or still 7/8 or 22 millimeter. So these have been great, but these are metric, so I need to get some standard, and actually they're harder to find than I would have thought they were. So I ended up going to Harbor Freight and getting these icons. Same thing, nice square beam, ratchet on one side, box on the other side with the offset. And these, either one's reversible. You just have to flip it to reverse the direction, which I personally don't have a problem on that part. Actually, I think the kind that are not reversible are stronger in the long run than the ones with the pawls inside of it to change direction. Personal opinion. But big old icon there. And this is 3/4, 11/16, 5/8, 9/16, 1/2 inch, 7/16, and 3/8. And I used the 7/16, 1/2 inch, and 9/16 the most out of this particular set. I do wish it went up to 7/8, but it doesn't, so it is what it is. This was $150. I just bought this recently. But yeah, this is what I have gotten. over the summer working. Hope you like what I got. If you have any questions, please comment below. Let me know what you have. But these tools have come in very handy. I have some other tools that I hope to show before the end of the year, but there's no guarantee, as I'm pretty busy. So, especially with the short daylight now, come fall and the winter, I'm super busy. So, but I'll catch you on the next one. Be safe. Take care. Ciao.